And welcome to today's meteorology segment. We've changed up our format a bit here because of the pathetic and putrid, disgusting, slimy censorship on YouTube. And so you'll find more of our content today on other platforms, our daily space where the videos were exclusive to YouTube, and now not. So that's part of our response. There'll be more. Here are the surface winds of the eastern world. There are the jet streams of the eastern world. We've got some backward jet stream over the Indian Ocean once again, and some turbulence over the western Pacific. Here are the jet streams of the western world. We've got a doubled up jet stream over the U.S. Two different jet streams over the north and south, as well as a 180-degree bend here. The jet stream's actually blowing backward over part of California and then turning and blowing over Texas. Here are the surface winds of the western side of the planet. Powerful low pressure here at the south of Greenland. A series of chaotic winds and so on there. Heavy winds in the southern part of Greenland. Let's move on to show the European snow forecast. So this is the European model. We're just going to show one day here, as there is quite a bit of snow falling in the U.S. at the moment. We're just going to let this advance. It's showing you pressure isobars as well as snow depth. Again, this is the European forecast, and we're going to pause this at 12 noon tomorrow. We usually show a one-day forecast on the windy.com website because it's a very good website. And then we talk about the physics and so on. Anyway, check it out. There is the European forecast for snowfall for the lower 48. That's at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time tomorrow on Sunday, December 5th. Here is the GFS forecast. That was the Euro forecast. This is the 72-hour forecast. So this is 3 days. That last one was just 1 day for the Euro forecast. This is 3 days for the GFS forecast. We're also going to show you pressure and precipitation in general. So quite a bit of snow falling here in the next 3 days. We'll be covering it daily on our meteorology segments. And before we continue on, just let me take a look at the stream and make sure that it is doing okay. And indeed it is. I may have missed some features there, so let's go back. There's the Euro snow forecast. I apologize if I had the Smash News Network least busted name in news. By the way, YouTube is not the arbiter of anything. YouTube is unable to do its own job, much less write functioning code. What a putrid and pathetic, sickening corporation Alphabet, Google, YouTube, and half of their subsidiaries is. It's absolutely pathetic. Anyway, this is the precipitation and pressure forecast for the next 72 hours. It's the GFS model. And that low pressure system expected to move up into northeastern Canada there, making a slight northerly turn around Lake Ontario. Again, that's a 72-hour pressure and precip forecast from the GFS model. Next, your weather.gov map, and you can see tons of winter weather advisories, as well as we covered yesterday, blizzard warnings. Blizzard warnings on Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea in Hawaii. If your county's lit up, just click it. It's at weather.gov. Here's your NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. And we've got some lightning over Texas. Shout out to our Texan viewers. Thanks to everybody from down there who leaves comments. Cheers to all our Texan viewers. By the way, these videos are now appearing on YouTube, Twitch, and on BitChute. We're just going to put all of our content everywhere, perhaps for the rest of the year. That's sort of the loose plan. And lightning is pretty calm right now, according to lightningmaps.org. If you hear thunder, go check it out. Again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our followers over there. Please host the channel. Tell your friends and foes about us. Apparently, we're one of the top science and technology channels on Twitch. So please host us. Tell your friends and foes about us. And support the channel via the links below the video. Now, we've recently put up 2 BitChute exclusives. These were originally live streams on YouTube. They're our best performing videos over the past couple of weeks. This live stream here, titled Living in a Diabolically Backward Insanity, as well as this one here featuring the face of evil, Saint Anthony Fauci, on the cover. Do you worship at the cult of Covidiocy? Is your new god Anthony Fauci? Well, this one is entitled Emergency COVID Stream. Has Covidiocy been cured? Check it out. It's now a BitChute exclusive. We pulled it down from YouTube because of the pathetic demonetization, which buries the videos in search, and it causes them to not be recommended, and it causes us to not get paid for ads being played over the videos. So we pulled it down because, frankly, we're ready to pull our pants down and moon YouTube because it's absolutely pathetic and rife with censorship. So we'll just do whatever we can to prevent from getting our videos monetized. Maybe we'll do videos about building things out of Lincoln Logs. If you're getting serious about buying stuff for Christmas, check out curated.com/e/dan.nigro. You can find links to this below the video as well. Yeah, that's me. I became a pro cyclist in 1999, and I'm still a cycling expert. If you're looking to upgrade your bike or purchase a new bike, maybe you're looking to send somebody a gift, look me up. I'll help you pick it out. It's one of my many jobs. Yes, I wear many hats, both literally and figuratively. Don't forget to enter the promo code FINISHLINE on picking up any merch to save 25% through December 7th at the Red Bubble Shop. These are put in order of best selling. So check those out. We've got a bunch of different products here. They're all a little bit on the, shall we say, provocative side. I would invite everybody to Mensa, Make America Not Suck Again, or if you're a worldwide viewer, Mensa, Make Earth Not Suck Again, since it's up to you, not giant heaving bureaucracies that can't even do their own jobs and are just the definition of pathetic companies that have billions of dollars coming in per year and can't even do their own jobs. I'll bet you have a list. Let us know in the comments what pathetic companies you think can't do their own jobs. It turns out, as far as I can tell, the size of the bureaucracy is inversely proportional to their competence. Smash Team is quite small. There are only 2 of us, Smash staff and I. So become members and help to support us that way. There are only 2 paid subscriptions. And if you're a gold member, make sure you're logged in to see our latest post. If you're not a gold member, become a gold member, or you can't see the latest post. The title is, have you heard me suggest that in just a few years electricity will be essentially, quote, free and, quote? Let's get back to weather stuff as soon as I check the life of this stream. And it looks just fine. So let's blast through the rest of the data here. Here is the world's largest heat sink. It's the Pacific Ocean. And we're getting quite a bit of turbulence here. Some massive pressure gradients being created there in Hawaii, enough to cause blizzard warnings. It's very dry in the southeastern Pacific, as you can see here. Very dry. A lot of dry, massive air down there toward Easter Island and so on. Probably clear skies over all those moais. And you can see this atmospheric river making its way. There's going to be a second flow coming soon. And that's what's causing all the precipitation in the U.S. in the northern portion. So here's your U.S. Doppler radar. Let's just zoom in on Hawaii for a quick moment here. Yowzers. So there you go. Some precipitation, some, I guess, coming in the form of snow there on the high mountains. Anyway, there's the 50 states view. We're going to focus on the lower 48. And you can see a bunch of snow here west of the Great Lakes. Some heavy precipitation continues in the moistened, what do you call it? The moistened northwestern portion of the country there. Places like Washington getting hammered with rain. This is the shortwave radiation map. We've got a bunch of low clouds here. You can see these low clouds off of the Jersey coast, for example. Here's the water vapor map, we hope. And just let me refresh that. All right, there's the water vapor map. Again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Tell your friends and foes about us if you're viewing the videos on Twitch. Host our channel. Perhaps become a member of the Smash team. As we're paid just this side of nothing thanks to the pathetic, algorithmic, and otherwise putrid censorship from YouTube, a truly sickening corporation. And accountability will eventually come for all who are unable to do their own job. So here is the recap. That's the U.S. Doppler radar for the lower 48. Here's the cloud layer showing you clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with the visible satellite. And here is the water vapor map. Thanks to you, the viewer. We apologize for the putrid censorship on these platforms. It'll eventually end one way or another. If their servers have to burn in order for it to end, it'll end one way or another. And I'll sign off. From the Smash News Network, least busted, name in news.